What's up bafflers, James here. Something a bit different today. Today I'm going to look at the Wilson and Gregory Gardening Specialists. It's actually from Poundland. A solar light which is warm white. Now this is interesting because a lot of solar lights are generally cool white. Yeah, generally you don't get warm white. And also this is a very cool looking light. If the camera above would actually focus, that would be really nice. Go on camera. It doesn't like focusing into this at all. It's like, nope, I'm not going to do it.
A few minutes later.
It is a very cool looking light. So to turn it on, you undo it like this, and there's a little switch on the inside. And it is already switched on. I've got really bright lighting here, so it's not really going to make a whole lot of impact with the lights on, but I'll turn the lights off and turn it on when it's dark. So in English, it's a clear solar light, warm white, contains a non-replaceable rechargeable battery and bulb. In fact, it has more than a bulb. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs all on a little piece of wire, which is actually really cool. So the idea is that you can hang this up like a little decoration, put it outside in your garden, and it should have a nice little warm white illumination. Thanks for watching. This product was from Poundland, so I don't have a Genius link in the description, but yeah, check out your local Poundland. Not a sponsor. If you're new around here, hit subscribe and ding the bell icon to never miss out on another video. A true baffler isn't complete without some sweet merch from techbaffle.com/shop. That's all for now. Drop a like if you've enjoyed this video. Any questions, let me know down below. Until next time, follow me at TechBaffle and stay curious at techbaffle.com.